Hello, friends! Welcome to Bright Buddies. Today, we're going to learn many daily routines that children often do at home and at school. Let's begin our morning routine. Every morning is a fresh start to a wonderful day. I wake up early in the morning. I get out of bed with a big smile. I make my bed neatly. I keep my room clean and tidy. I open the curtains to let the sunshine in. I welcome the bright morning light into my room. I stretch my arms and legs. I get my body ready for a new day. I go to the bathroom to get ready for the day. I wash my face with clean water. I brush my teeth with my toothbrush. I keep my teeth clean and healthy every day. I take a bath to keep my body clean. I enjoy a fresh and relaxing bath every day. I dry my body with a soft towel. I comb my hair neatly. I make my hair look nice and tidy. I put on my school uniform. I get dressed and ready for school. I eat a healthy breakfast. I drink milk or another healthy drink. I pack my school bag with the things I need. I put on my shoes for school. I am ready to leave home for a new day. I say goodbye to my family with a smile. I wave goodbye and head to school happily. I wait safely for the school bus at the bus station with my friends. I ride the school bus to school with my friends. I walk safely to school. I stay on the sidewalk while walking to school. Let's begin our fun school routine together. I greet my teacher politely. I say, "Good morning, teacher." My teacher smiles and says hello. I sit on my chair and I listen carefully to my teacher. I feel happy and ready to learn. I read my books and I write in my notebook. I sing songs with my classmates. I clap my hands to the rhythm. I feel happy while singing in class. I learn new words in class. I use new words in class when I speak and write. I learn numbers in class. I count numbers with my teacher and classmates. I practice writing in my notebook. I carefully write letters, words, and sentences. I raise my hand in the classroom. I raise my hand when I want to ask a question. I share my ideas in class. I listen to my classmates' ideas and learn from them. I complete my worksheet carefully. I answer all the questions on my worksheet.
Let's explore our lunchtime routine.
I wash my hands before eating. Clean hands help keep me healthy.
I sit at the lunch table with my classmates. I sit nicely and get ready to eat my lunch.
I eat my lunch at school. I enjoy a healthy meal with my classmates.
I clean my table after lunch. I leave my eating area neat and tidy. I go to the playground with my classmates. I play happily with my friends.
I swing on the swings.
Let's learn our afternoon routine at school. The afternoon is full of fun learning and exciting activities.
I listen carefully to a fun story. I enjoy every story my teacher reads. I play with fun puzzles in class. I solve each puzzle one piece at a time. I put the toys back in their place. I help keep the classroom clean and tidy. I pack my school bag before going home. I get ready to go home with a happy smile. I say goodbye to my teacher and friends.
Yay! Great job, everyone! Today, we learned many daily routines at home and at school. Practicing these routines every day helps us stay happy, healthy, and responsible. Thanks for learning with Bright Buddies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.